Thank you.
It's auto. I didn't do anything.
Oh, nice.
I changed the master setting. All right,
Uh,
can you see my screen?
yeah, I can. I can.
Great. Okay, so this is what you are referring to. I'm into order.sg. I'm going straight into QR ordering. I did disclaimer, I didn't check pickup delivery, I didn't check landing site. I like to go straight to QR ordering anyway. Right. So the same needs to be tested for pickup and delivery and landing site. Okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
so let's zoom into this because it's the fastest and easiest, right? Right. Okay, so let's take a look again. I think most importantly, I saw two key updates. There's a third one in members portal I haven't logged in yet. So anyway, you set up two e-voucher here and you set up two special deals here, right?
Yeah, right.
The first quick comment is down here. When I look at this special deal, the first comment is the image are fantastic, right? The problem is the whole description is missing because when we start talking about save how much dollar and also the I think at BA we need to be very mindful what is the right standard. For example, if we see all this, right, the pricing needs to be shown very clearly. The description needs to be shown very clearly. Like how much is actually this, and what is the purpose of having this special deal to begin with, right? Because when we say save $10, but the price is 21.80, right? It will scare people. Okay, I repeat again. When you say save $10, right? But the price right 21.80, right? Well, what does that mean? It means that, or rather, sorry, save 11.80, and it's too small already, I cannot read, right? So that's why I didn't see anything. So save 80, $10. But of course, the price is still this one, right? So it can be very confusing to the user. What does that mean? You get what I mean, right? Yeah. So because all these words and this one doesn't tally. Like save 11.80, $10. What does that mean? Right. So but this one says 21.80. Okay. Yeah, which means that there's a whole bunch of missing description. And the key thing I wanted you set up was actually the description, so that the user actually know that they can only get it at this price if they have that special e-voucher. You get it? You get it, right? The whole concept is you can only get it at that price. Right now it's listed at 21.80, but you can actually get this. The key description is get it at only $10 if you apply the exclusive members e-voucher, something like that.
Okay, got it.
You got it, right? Yeah. Yeah. So the description must be tight and clear, right? Get it at only $10, and then you can bracket save $11.80, if you unlock the members exclusive deal or something like that. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So that is the most important keyword that must be inside the description. All right. And then this one, a bit complicated. Honestly, don't know what this is. Let me see. Of course, I know our concept. Don't get me wrong. No, I fully understand what we have discussed on Friday. Okay, don't get me wrong. When I tell you to recap, it doesn't mean I don't remember. I remember our meeting details very detailedly, but just I don't know which part you are referring to. Okay, right. So as we look into this one, my concern is down here. Always try to read this as a layman, zero user. You know why it's called zero, right? It means that you and I don't understand this feature at all. Right, it's the first time we are ever looking at this picture. So as we are, the icon as well, right? Sorry, all this please change, okay?
Yeah, I changed.
No, this is Canadian. Look at this.
Yeah. I knew the logo. I'm removing the logo.
Yeah, thanks. Right, okay, so back to this. What is the purpose of having this e-voucher? Let's ask ourselves again. I mean, just take a quick look. The whole purpose, the goal of having this e-voucher is really to get members to top up wallet, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, all this thing is a big unknown to people because firstly, number one, I don't even know what this is about. Like free 180 and all this, okay. Right. So if I look at this, it says free, free $11.80. I don't quite really understand. Again, so no, don't get me wrong. I know our function very well. I know exactly what our function can do. But again, like say a strong BA or a strong PO, when they look at the image or the icon, when we design it, it must appeal to the layman and makes absolute sense to the layman. Right. So if I look at this, right, my first thought is I cannot understand this at all. Like, free 11.80, don't copy others, right? I know you are trying to follow this, right? You get what I'm trying to say. It's quite obvious to follow this. Don't do that. Like who, why, when, where, what. What is the very last thing we want to reference?
Okay.
Okay, yeah. So like this one's still quite okay lah. This one's still quite okay for the purpose of BB voucher. But remembering when we are doing this, right? It is called members deals. This is not a regular e-voucher because you can never get it at this price. There is no way in this mechanic we can we can ever purchase it for $10, right? Just the same thing as I mentioned below, right? You look at this. This is at $30, right? So you say at $30, right? But is it true? Is this $30? I thought this e-bundle needs to be I'm getting quite confused right now, right? So I don't even understand what it is. So we are allowing the member without topping out the wallet to buy this at $10. You look at this $10, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so without the special normal, the whole journey and the whole user story is member need to top up wallet. With top up wallet, they get a normal voucher. With that normal voucher, then they can purchase this at a discounted price. Correct? That was the understanding, right?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, so I don't quite get it. This setup straight away tells me that I can buy it at $10, which is wrong already, right?
Yeah, right. I set the wrong pricing here.
Yeah. And it's not just about setting the wrong pricing, right? It's about the mission, right? It's not achieved. The mission is about, you need to top up money, right? That's why I say don't look at all into other things. The last thing a BA and PO should practice is what first. What first mean, what is similar? What can I copy? No, it is always about user and purpose. Right? So the user and the purpose here has nothing to do with normal e-voucher. It is completely different. It should never be even displayed on the online shop. Our Friday meeting was here, not to display on the online shop. It was meant to be in the members portal. Correct?
Correct.
Yeah, so why is it showing here? Because it will confuse user. The campaign is supposed to be launched on members portal. These two things that we are looking at strictly on member portal. And when I go into member portal, I look at this two voucher. It should not spell at $10. Yes, the image can say $10. Image, no problem. But again, this image is, my suggestion is, don't keep this image at all. No, don't use this at all.
Yeah.
Go into this one. It needs to associate. Today, if you are a user, you buy that voucher, you obviously want to apply the same voucher here, right? So in the members portal, the image must look exactly the same.
Sure.
Because the value proposition is the same, remember? Remember the value proposition is about, members exclusive deal, right? So this is the same thing, right? Get it at only $10, with the special the members deal, right?
Okay.
With a or something like that, exclusive. Now I haven't think about that word yet, but don't worry. But at least that description needs to be there, right? Get it at only $10, if you top out your e-wallet or something like that, right? Yeah, we don't talk about special member deals first. Don't confuse the user. Just literally, that one is next phase lah. If we can do membership upgrade and all. But what we've discussed is about driving e-wallet top up. So in driving e-wallet top up, that specific word must be there, right? Get it at only usual 2180. Get it at only $10 if you top out your e-wallet.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, or rather get it at you bring the most important word in front first. The description is very limited. The way we design this, you can tell 3 lines, right? It's maximum 3 lines, right? You look at all this. Our description can only hold 3 lines, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. Right? So if we can only hold 3 lines, how do you write that description or use bold, use HTML, use anything that strikes the user in the face? Get it at only $10 if you top out your e-wallet. Correct?
Sure.
Yeah, then the description can go longer. How to top out your e-wallet. Give a bit of description. I go to your e-wallet setting. Then there's a need for that description there. That doesn't matter. So if you top out your e-wallet. So pretty much pretty much that's about it. Get your e-wallet. Whereas when I shouldn't see this one here at all. I shouldn't see these two things at all. Right? So these two things should go into members portal and the image should be exactly the same as whatever I've been telling you just now. Make sense?
Yeah.
And there's really no need to talk about all this offer A, offer B. No, that's not what I meant in my Friday meeting. You get what I'm trying to say, right? It's not about writing the copy text of offer A and offer C. Yeah, is the whole user journey. So that's why I say don't go and copy other things that has been laid out here. There's no purpose. Okay.
Okay.
Yep. Yeah. So so reconfigure that. I should only see consistency in members portal and also on online shop. And So yeah, that's it. Yeah. So you get what I'm trying to say, right?
I get it. I get it now.
Yeah. 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 So no, the most important thing to practice is always right. Understand the goal and look at the whole setup, right? Does it achieve the goal? Right. It is not about keeping consistent with whatever we have set out early on because the goal are totally different. Okay. Yeah. So if we look at this, right, something is very weird. Like, I don't even see any prompt like top up, get voucher and stuff like that. It's supposed to have a prompt, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's not set up. It's
The
not.
prompt on sample one, right?
Yeah. No. I'm already inside member portal. You can see, right?
Mm.
Can you see I'm inside member portal?
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah, I'm talking about members portal.
Okay. Okay.
There's supposed on Friday we went through the whole UX, right?
Mm.
And I keep asking, right? So is there a prompt in the members wallet that indicates so? Right? I was assured yes, there is, right? So by going, so it's either there is no setup, or okay, it's this one, only this one, is it? So there is nothing on the anyway, it's so bad. This is so bad. Yeah,
Yeah.
I told you to
Member
change.
also don't have the
No, I'm talking about the UX of this whole member portal design. Is terrible to the max. Like you see, this one is back, then the back is down here. It's like the worst design ever. Like who in the world can understand what to do? Like I have three, one, two, three. What to press? It's so terrible, this design. Yeah, I don't know when Fauzi is going to launch this. Give me a moment. I run through the whole US with him already. Yeah, he promised me to release it, and I don't know when the world is going to do it. Give me a moment.
Okay.
Yeah, so no, I have to take care of all this thing because I mean, sorry, no, for me to say this, right? When you go inside and you see MP is terrible, right? You should also alert me as well, or even work directly with Fauzi to tell him to improve his stuff. It's really very bad. Don't you agree? It's like horrible.
Yeah.
There's no way any user can get this correct. You know what I'm trying to say?
Okay.
It's like the most basic navigation is not even correct. It's like a very, very basic designer job, Cannot go wrong one.
Mm.
Right? You look at this letter, it's back, back, back. How to use?
You're right.
Yeah,
Mm.
it's really terrible. Yeah, and the way Fauzi follow up on this is like, 1 year, 2 times. Yeah, and he will leave a message and forget about it. Yeah, it's really very bad. Mm. Okay, yeah. So from what I understand, you are saying that it's only here, lah. The CTA is only here, right?
Yeah, right.
Really bad, right? You know what I'm trying to say.
Mm.
Don't you think so?
Yeah, really bad. I can even hover to view the details voucher. So
Yeah, it's not just that. The CTA should be right here and here already, right? If you
mm.
want to top up and get voucher, should be here, right? And not here, right? Correct?
Correct.
Yeah.
Mm.
Um, can you help? I'll take care of the rest. Can you at least help take care of this? Because we need to follow through the user story, right? All the back button I'll take care, okay? But can you at least take care of this? If you want to drive a user story of wallet top up, I need to see it through. You need to see it through, and I need to see the outcome. Do you agree with it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it cannot be you're just designing the functional spec, right, and not the user journey, right?
Yes.
Yep. So do you think it's motivational for any
No,
user
no,
to
no,
know?
no, it's not. It's not.
Yeah. Then what do it took you so long, man? I mean, just look at it and spot the problem. You are well trained, right? You should know that the entire UX is terrible, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So again, refer back to your user story. And you are the one who came out with the user story. The user story you highlighted was encourage user to top up e-wallet, right?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, and it should be shown, right? All across, right? Even
Correct.
from the online shop, the item should show is about e-wallet top up, right? And this one also, right?
Mm.
Correct. Yeah. Yeah. Can you work with them? I want to see that, when there is voucher given here. Yeah, hover is one thing. And honestly, hover doesn't make sense. Hover on mobile is terrible.
Yeah,
There's
cannot.
no there's absolutely no hover on mobile. Okay.
Mm.
So I need you to design that concept and get work. You can throw him to do it, but you need to make sure that this portion is taken care of. Is that all right?
Okay. We will redesign this
Yeah.
top up journey.
Yep. I will take care of the back and all this thing, right? So, but at least when you talk about e-wallet top up motivation, US, C,
Mm.
okay, don't leave everything to me because it's very tiring. I cannot take care of like all departments, all story, all ticket. It's the same thing like sales team, CE team. Every single document, everyone would just wait for me to give the whole concept, whole idea, draft everything up, you know, and all that. You know what I'm trying to say, right? Yeah. So we have to like really see through that concept that US we have. We have to match that whole journey and take ownership of it. Okay. Yeah. All right.
Yeah,
Because
okay.
yeah.
We
Okay.
will redesign the top up user journey for bonus voucher as well.
Yep. So something must be obvious here. One prompt, I look at it, it must tell me, oh wow, if I top out, there's a bonus. Sure, we don't need to write the description here. It's okay, but at least the user know there's something there. Okay.
Okay.
Yep. Okay, then going inside, I don't even know what kind of voucher I'm getting, man. Cannot, right? how,
Yeah.
how, how to go? No go at all. It's such a bad design. Like, don't even accept this kind of design from Fauzi, man. I will straight away fail it straight away. Correct, right? It's
Yeah.
terrible, right? Like, what is this? Get what voucher? Yeah, and it's so bad squeezing a UI inside the button.
Mm.
What is he even thinking, man?
One voucher.
Yeah. really bad. And even the Momo number is terrible, right? Yeah. Hey, I log into my number. Why am I even seeing this, man? This is not even my number.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
it's
oh, but
production. Hmm.
don't even know what is this. It's not even my number.
Oh, that's your number. Three,
Not my
eight,
number.
nine.
They
Mhm.
did something again. This is like one of the test number I've used. I didn't even merge the account together. How does this even work? It shouldn't even work this way. What's this?
Uh,
You see the UI?
mm-hmm. Yeah, I can see.
It's not even
Oh.
working.
Ooh.
So many bugs. This is not your site. No, this is not your site. This is their site. I already messaged them.
Yeah, sure.
A lot of surprises all the time. Like we launch a software, right? Nothing gets correct. Like, every time we try to release something will go wrong. And this like I don't even know how this can go wrong, man. Like number can change. Oh, speechless. How to navigate back? Like, will any average user know how to navigate back? It's impossible, right?
Yeah.
Every single page, every click is totally unique and totally different.
Mm.
Ah, yeah, okay. So I'm not sure how long it takes, and I don't know. This guy don't follow up at all, right? He will leave a message and he can ignore it for months. So I'm not sure how you're gonna work with him on this, right? So
I can work with him. Yeah, no worry.
okay, yeah,
Mm.
right. And I got to tell you, right, is like, you literally got to, push him all the time, right? If not, he will never, yeah. Yeah. So yeah, just make sure you get him to update and show everything, right? Not to me, but to you, and then you compile the whole thing, and together with him, we can do one round of validation. Is that
Yeah,
right?
sure. Mm.
Yeah, or if you want, you can quickly tell me the concept before we go into full high
Mm.
definition, high fidelity, right? Right. So yeah. If you
Sure.
want, do quick validation with me before doing a high high fidelity.
Fidelity. Okay.
Yeah. Hey, this is okay now. So this e-voucher, you updated it, is it?
Yeah, I just updated.
Okay, got it. Yeah. Yeah, but it's wrong. It's wrong. You know why it's wrong, right? It cannot be $10, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I still don't.
and there's one more problem, right? The description is not showing here. So that's why I need you to walk through the whole journey,
Uh-huh.
right? I don't think they support description at all.
Yeah, it's not support the description.
Yeah, you get it? Yeah.
Okay.
Mm. Yeah. So no, it's not so easy just to talk about a functional thing, right? Because if the entire journey don't flow, right, the function won't make sense, right?
Mm.
Mm.
Okay.
Yeah, because there's no way I will present whatever we have configured to C241 because they'll be equally confused as well, right?
Correct.
Yeah, but time is running short. I don't know how much time we need to get this out. But at least can you give me the right yeah, but this is a big problem also. No description is very bad. So okay, we need to think smart right now. So there is no description. If this price is going to be different and this is impossible to see. No, you do agree, right? This is impossible to see, right?
Mm,
Because the only thing I see is $10, right? And
mm,
nothing else. It doesn't match here, right? You get what I'm trying to say?
yeah.
Yeah, so work with the current limitation. If you are looking at this as a current limitation, right, how will
Mm,
you design the image as well as this line, as well as this? This one can never change. This got to be the original price, right? But how do you make the user know that they need to top up a wallet to unlock it at $10, right? So your image and your copywriting and your only title here needs to make sense like within a second.
uh,
You get it?
yeah, I get it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ah.
And I really need the PA to lead this, because if we don't do the correct standard, right, the C team will never know. And that's why I'm having so much time wastage, right? Always to teach a C team what to do, what to configure. Because I need sample one to be good. If we have a concept, we need to make sure that the concept is the best on sample one. So that without hesitant, right, C team and CS team goes to sample one and know what to do. Right. And they have no excuses to say that, oh, I'm not sure what to do, how to set it up. Right.
Mm,
Because when we set it up correct, and they just need to follow. They don't need to even think so hard.
yeah, right.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so if we look at this, you have to think about it, right? So again, I say the UX is, I go in, I straight away know that, oh, this pricing looks very expensive, but for some reason, if I top out a wallet, I can get it at $10. Right? Work within the limitation, right? Of course, I'm not saying that we should live with the limitation. We work with the limitation and we get fuzzy to make sure there is no limitation and the real UX is achieved.
Okay.
Which means description needs to be there. There needs to be consistency, right? Between members portal and online shop. Correct?
Mm.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, let me see.
So you have two things to think, right? One is called the within the current limitation, but more important is not about working with limitation. As BAs, as leaders, our job is to make sure the other team is doing the right thing, right? It cannot be we launch online shop and the other team just launch something like that, totally different UI UX, and we are kind of okay with it. So the answer is we should not be okay with it, and we need them to change.
Mm.
Correct? Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Mm.
Mm. Course. Chọc up thành đâu là chọc up thành.
Wait, I could have signed to the wrong one. Let me try. Ah, okay, 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 okay. I get it. I get it. Get it. Yeah, I need to use my phone and see again. Sorry. Okay, okay. Yeah, let's carry on this. So far okay. You understand what to do, right?
Yeah,
Right. Yeah, make the changes and yeah.
the change on the
Yeah.
specialty. Take a look.
Mm,
I hide the e-voucher on the memo,
mm. Yeah.
especially with that copy text. I will update the image.
Is there any HTML we can do here? Like honestly, I think the image is not good enough, right? Because the
Yeah.
keyword, yeah, you just think through, right? What is your user goal for this, right? So if the user goal is really get them to top out, right? I think it's not clear and not obvious enough.
Yeah, I update the image. I will update the image. For description, let me think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And one thing that I want to remind you that I always kind of like scold the CE designer, right? Is I always tell them, don't ever design any image that cannot be read on the mobile. For example, like this one, right? It's an absolute no-no, right?
Yeah.
Because
Can you
I'll read.
refresh? I use the ChatGPT, not CE design.
I'm talking about CE designer, right? So
Okay.
talking about CE designer.
Um,
Yeah, this is better, this is better. Yeah, but even so, honestly, cannot really tell. The save one is not readable on the
mm.
phone screen. It's not readable.
Okay,
This is
okay.
readable, not readable at all.
It's-
It is
Sure.
not readable.
Understand.
You can read,
No, I
sorry.
cannot. Okay. Not readable. Make it bigger. I'm prompting ChatGPT to update the image.
Yeah, ChatGPT is not that smart because ChatGPT do not know, yeah, this is your layout, right? Even if you tell ChatGPT you want a mobile layout design, as a mobile layout design, this is good. If you are looking at this like that, can read, right? So in terms of this layout, can read because it's big enough, right? But to use GPT well, you need to prompt them correctly. Like literally give them a screenshot of this and say that this is the only space I have. Rework your design that can be read at the eye level on the mobile.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, because very often when we prompt ChatGPT, we only tell them that I want a mobile design, right? Give me a mobile dimension, and they will straight away think this is the resolution you want. Okay, you got what I'm saying, right? Yeah, anyway, the keyword, right? You might want to think that is it really about save this? Because after all, there is still no I leave it to you, lah. I leave it to you, but the concept is really like mobile wallet or e-wallet top up due. That keyword must be there.
Okay.
Yeah.
You will top up
Yeah.
deal.
So yeah, e-wallet top up deal, right? So receive a voucher and unlock this deal at only $10. I mean, these are the keywords I will write. Yeah.
Mm.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah, this is okay. Yeah, this is okay. Yeah, but if I look into Okay, yeah. Is this the best we can do, Noah? It has been something on my mind for the longest time, ever since we launched this. Is this the best we can do? It's super hard to read.
I can make it. I can make it. Let me try.
Yeah, it must be not just about you, It's about, is there a CMS we can, content manager, we can easily update it that shows things much better rather than using this kind of like regular text one line by one line. You get what I'm trying to say?
Yeah, I get. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me try to discuss with developer on this.
Yeah.
So now I will config myself.
I mean, can I give you a suggestion? Yeah, it is quite hard to, the only, because when we keep telling the dev team is like that, right? If you want to save time, everything do together, one design fits all, then obviously they will do it this way, right? But if we want to be very mindful and ask ourselves, we want maybe something to look, how it looks like on a preview and how it looks like in the exact write-up. Could it be that we literally can have two views, right? View one is really long preview. What do you want to capture on a preview? Because preview only has limited space anyway, correct? Preview only has 3 lines, right? Why don't you just create a preview input, and then you have a full description input. Yeah, I mean, that's option A, right? And for the full description input, you will want to design it to be a lot more CSS and friendly. Means that I can put anything. I want to put icon, whatever I want, right? I want to put anything. I want to format my text, in any direction, any way I want. Yeah, you get what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Whereas the preview screen, probably you can have a separate one. But if you do want to keep them all together, I'm fine as well. Yeah, but yeah, it's a bit harder lah. If you keep it all hard together, right? The user need to like preview. Like, I'm sure this one can go into different lines as well, right? If I'm not wrong. Can we or cannot? I cannot remember.
Yeah,
I think
I make it different line. You can rewrite it.
Yep. Okay. Can you put into like dotted, really dotted? Like it's still hard to read. Sorry, I know. I'm being quite particular, but I want to keep the same static with you, right? Because there's no need to save space here, right? Bullet point,
Okay.
all the bullet point. Yeah.
Okay.
So enjoy the following for just $10. Bracket worth 21.80. Save. You get what I mean, right? Yeah. Okay, then after you finish, you say, enjoy the following ad for just $10. Wait, we already have this already, right? So you already have this. So it's a lot of repeater, right? Get it for $10 with e-wallet top up, right? You can say that worth $21, then you cancel, become $10. Yeah. Okay, you got to rewrite this whole text, lah. Right. Okay, maybe do you want okay. I'll go into merchant planning. I purposely use merchant panel I mean, Ethan is not here. If not, I want him to see how difficult is it to use even my iPad to make changes. The little technique here is to close this, open and close, but it's just very bad. Yeah. How much was it worth again just now? 2180.
2180. Yeah. I just changed.
Yeah, but this part is getting a bit tricky as well. You see, if I do this right, and the whole concept is you really need to think how many steps do we want the user to do it, right? Again, if you top up wallet, you can, if you top up wallet, and do you get a normal voucher to buy a e-voucher and then use the e-voucher to redeem, the item? To me, it feels a long haul, super long haul, and I don't even know how to write the instruction. Right. So imagine now I want you to write an instruction, a quick one for the user to know what to do, right? Do you think you're able to do it?
No.
Yeah. So one of the potential is wait, let me see.
Top up to receive the bonus voucher and use that voucher to buy e-voucher. Use that e-voucher to apply the deal.
Yeah. So the question is, why do we even need to buy the e-voucher? If the
Yeah,
concept is about topping our
correct.
wallet, why don't we issue the normal voucher,
Mm,
fire tons of normal voucher, and straight away just apply at the online shop?
correct.
Yeah, but the only problem here is the only reason why we are doing that is they do not want it on online shop. They want it like totally driven by influencer.
Mm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so we can, of course I can persuade them not to do so. I will tell them that, why not? Why only influencer? Do it on your regular website as well.
Yeah,
Right? Then we will skip all the steps. There's no need to buy special e-voucher.
correct. Customer
Yeah.
just need to top up.
Yeah. And once they top up, we'll give them a bunch of voucher. And with that bunch of voucher, they can just apply directly. Correct? And just make sure the image match can already. Because once the image match, right, it will not go wrong. But there's a problem, the one I need to highlight. The biggest problem, if I'm you, if you have walked through this journey, I can tell you what is the biggest problem. Even applying a voucher, right, is no way layman easy. Let me explain to you why. The image is all different. Even if I purchase finish already, right, the voucher, right, then I will still get confused. Which one? You get it?
Okay.
You get it, right? Because it's totally different. Even for me to want to apply, right, I'm asking myself, wow, which one? Correct?
Correct.
Yeah, because I look through, right, it's like, wow, bunch of things there. Like, wow, how am I going to read, man? I need to go back and then check again. Like, what is this, man? Wow, I don't know what is this. Yeah, maybe yeah, okay. So yeah, this is, maybe we can write offer A, offer B, but still a bit hard to read, right? So go inside, I need to find, which one? Offer A, like, where is it? Scroll. Bear in mind how many we're firing? 20, right? Yeah, and this layout here itself is really bad, right? Because I know Fauzi want to put everything all together. Yeah, but it's about height. Yeah, maybe 10, like 2 years ago, maybe okay lah. But today, as we advances into so many concepts, right? I think there is a need to, yeah, kind of like show clearly what is what. Yeah, I'm not sure, man. Is this like the best way to do voucher right now? We do have a function called upload your own image, but that has never worked since day one. It's fake. If you go to dashboard CRM, then every voucher has upload your own image, do whatever you want, but it's all fake. It's not working. Never worked since day one.
Okay. You want the image in the inside the voucher, right?
All right. If we can do that, then it's effortless. Anyone would know it.
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So can we get work with Aussie to make sure that if we do enable image upload, yeah, but take note the dimension is totally different. You can see, right? Yeah, I don't even need to describe. You see this more of a length. Yeah, so it's pretty much different.
1:1. Okay.
Yeah, I'm okay lah to squeeze it inside lah. Yeah, at least better than nothing. Yeah. Right.
Yeah, if customer they click video1298, they can see the bigger picture.
Sure. Yeah. You're right. You are right. Yeah. Yeah. Well, I wonder why it's wait, is it a bug thing?
No, that's the
Oh,
iPhone.
got it. Yeah, very bad, right? You see? Why like that? Can we don't do something like that? Why is the iPhone Infinity's one? It shouldn't be, right?
Let me
Yeah,
ask a bug to developer.
it's a coding problem. Yeah. I do understand that okay, sometimes the workflow, but should it flow? It shouldn't overstack, right? It
Yeah.
shouldn't be, right?
Shouldn't be
No.
like.
Like what are they doing, man? Not sure. Weird, very weird. Okay, not critical, sorry, no. This is not the most important thing. Still can live with it. It's okay. Still okay. Yeah, but at least good job. All this we settled the iframe user story already, right? So Mika on your side, all these are iframe already, right?
Yeah.
Release
already.
Also, I played with it that day. I think I saw it. So past that, it's all iframe ready, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay, good. All consistent and following CRM, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay, great. Yeah, okay. So just a little part. So no, if really we allow image upload, then allow lah, right? Yeah. So then the experience will be quite seamless, very easy to identify. Yeah. Then this one, yeah, we can do offer A. Yeah, change the header to offer A, offer B. You know why, right? Because that's why I say go through the whole experience yourself. Yeah, like you don't write classic fees, family fees, because yeah, very hard to find, right? If I want to trace the word, right, like it might be blocked already. Okay. Yeah.
Agree. You can reload. I update the image.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, the offer C's update. The offer A haven't.
Cannot. Okay. You lost the focus. Yes, it's about okay. Just listen to what I'm saying. Okay, all right. Listen to what I'm saying. All right. Take exact instruction from here onwards. Okay.
Okay.
Inside the image, yes, we can keep the food there, but not important. The keyword I want to see apart from offer C and all these numbers are not important. Why are we putting their mobile number down here? Oh, what's all this? Right. So
Okay. Understand.
yeah. So offer C, get it at $10, right? And it must be e-wallet top-up deal. All these keywords must be inside the folder. I repeat again, key elements that must be shown is number one, offer, whatever the offer is, offer ABC, yes. And second one is e-wallet top-up deal. Third is then how much I can get this at, which is $10, and not about topping out $10 because you're going to confuse the user. Top out 10, all this, then suddenly all your image is about $10. That's not what we want.
Yeah. Okay.
And this one also, we are not getting it at only $10. It's not. Yeah, you're gonna change back everything, okay?
Sure.
Yeah. So you didn't understand what I was talking about just now. Okay. So this one it is not getting it for only $10. No, it's like top out $10, but when you want to get it, you need to purchase it, right? This value is just nice coincidental $10, but this one is not $10, right? Do you get it?
Yeah, right.
Hmm.
30 y được top up này.
Yeah, how about change the word? It's too long already. Enjoy at only. Yeah. Enjoy it at. Cannot too long. Get it at. Yeah, this is okay. Yeah, if not even longer. Okay, can. Yeah, okay. So, so definitely no mobile number, right? Yeah, at online shop, why do we want to give them a mobile number? No, not even mobile number. Why do we want to give them a landline when they are on the online shop? Okay. Yeah. So offer C, e-wallet top out due, the exact amount they can get this for. All right.
Ừ.
Yeah. The savings as well is fine. Yeah, you want to put the savings is also can. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but I suggest the saving goes smaller. Not important. Really not important.
Ừ.
You know, we used to have something called original price strike off the other price, right? But that one is not for what function? Promo bundle is it? I cannot remember.
I don't remember that
Yeah,
feature.
I also don't remember. Yeah, anyway. Yeah, don't put in the classic fees, family fees. Forget it. Yeah. All this not important.
Okay, yeah. What's my domain?
Oh, this is good. This is very good. Thanks. This is super good.
Yeah. It's the hyperlink.
Yep.
Mm.
Under category, right? This one.
Yeah, under category.
Good. Sorry, I go running very deep with you, right? Because product team needs to set the standard, right? Yeah. Don't expect the CE team to know or the CS team. They have no clue on.
Okay.
Yeah. And then in the end, it's always me working with them to get this out. And I was like, wow. Yeah, I hope you understand why I make everyone, do everything out on sample one. Because if we don't do it, we will not spot the gap in our product. You agree now?
Yeah, agree.
And I don't even need the user to use it because we are all expert. We should be able to see the problem in the journey.
Okay. You can reload it. Honestly, MP is like hard to use, sorry.
Super hard, man. Tell me about it. And when I do a demo outside, I'm always using my iPad. It's even more worse.
Yeah.
And then you see that the lines don't tally.
Obviously, I changed the name. Yeah, but I forgot one field and then
Yeah, it's okay.
you
It's
reload
okay.
it. Yeah, sorry.
Struggle a lot as well. Right. Okay, can I suggest something? But I'm not sure how. Okay, I'm gonna change it myself. You're working on offer C right now or offer A?
I finished working on office. I work on offer C, offer A, not.
Anyway, your title is wrong. This is offer should be offer A.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, so change the image also. So you go on to offer C. I'm changing something in offer A.
Okay.
Something in offer.
Offer C.
Strange. You see my MP not reloaded. Range. Okay, correct. It was 21. Okay, can. Yeah, if this is exactly the part I want to have a subscript to cancel. Yeah, don't have, right? We cannot do this, right? This MP cannot do subscript, right?
Subscript.
Strike through. Cannot do strike through, right?
Yeah, let me try.
Unless we do HTML, but I don't think it supports. But I don't want, even if we do so, right, it's so hard to, the layman user will not know how to do it. Yeah, and it might not work in some browser. Yeah. Yeah, but it should work in most browsers though. Yeah, okay, anyway. Hey, look, this is exactly what we want. The price is S, so use S. I'll try on this. You try the other one. Not sure whether it works. I don't think it works, but let's try. Oh, it works. Look.
Oh. Online shop name, Steve. Online shop name.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
It's work on online shop.
Nice.
Nice. Okay.
But so weird, huh? Why the code and this code don't make sense, one? I have a space, but there's no. You see. You see, this dude don't have a.
Because there is a space between the 80 and I think so.
Yeah, I have a space here, but that one don't have. Wait. I have a space. But I'm pretty sure some old browser will not work, but it's okay. Oh, yay, correct.
Nice. Oh, okay.
Nice, right? Intuitive, right? Like that.
Yeah.
Yep. I add a colon. Small issue. Okay. Well, I'm using iPad, so okay. Sorry. I have a meeting as well, but I'll be on the move, but I will talk to you. Yeah, we'll carry on. Sorry, Mika, I know you're waiting. Sorry.
No worry. Wait, take your time.
You are learning some 20 years old HTML script.
Yeah, right.
Well, I used to do this when I was a student, and I got the best website design award. But I literally created rubbish. The teacher scolded me because I created my format was the best. I was like totally writing. Hey, wait, it's not loading. Wait. Why this was not working? Hey, wow, cache. Man, it's a cache issue, right?
Yeah.
Oh, no. I didn't change the online shop language. My bad. I always forget this. Always forget. I think they changed the whole architecture already. We don't use all this Reddish cache and all this much anymore, if I'm not wrong.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, this is okay, right?
Yeah.
Okay, come follow this one.
Okay.
Yeah, the image, then you take care of it, okay?
Yeah,
so
sure.
just remember the key element. Offer A, e-wallet top-up deal, and the original price. Right.
Okay.
Honestly, save how much? Yeah, you can put it as a smaller text on the image. Right. Not the most important thing to stand out. Okay? Yeah, that's it. That's it. Yeah. The full item don't need to take out majority space on. The full item, I know you are trying to maximize it to 70-80%. Right. But honestly, it's okay. It's okay.
Sure. See.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, but do you know that by using ChatGPT, your design is really better than the CE team design?
Really?
Absolutely. It would take them like hours to do all this. Yeah.
Correct. Yeah, I think.
Yeah.
It took me several prompts to.
Yeah, it takes a few prompts for sure, but the template can be well kept one. Yeah.
Yeah. Can you? I changed the name for the offices.
The image I need you to do for offer A as well. So
yeah,
it's
sure. ChatGPT is working.
Sure. Don't need sample one. Don't need merchant brand. All these things not required.
Yeah.
Like remove sample one also. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. The 3 elements, just follow the 3 elements I tell you.
Yeah, okay. I will change the image later.
Sure. Yeah, perfect. See, the layout like that is perfect. Easy to follow. Even if, with an image with this, they will be easy to apply the voucher. So I will propose to them, forget about the whole e-voucher purchase. Straight away, just top up wallet. Their job is to just top up wallet. Once they top up wallet, then we will edit all this. But wait, hang on. Wait. The only issue we couldn't do, have already. I already told Faris in the meeting that have to force write a reference code, right? So when they top out what, we his force switch on, don't care. So they can leave it blank if they want. Wait, cannot. They need to key in. Yeah, so they can key in junk. Doesn't matter if they key in junk is their problem. So, but at least they can key in the reference code, and then as long as we pull out those related to the influencer, then we can associate it. Right. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but the influencer might be, actually it works, you know why? Because the influencer just need to bluff the audience saying that if you don't key in my reference code, it will not work. Yeah. I'm sure everybody will key in. Correct. Yeah.
Key in or autofill it better.
Cannot autofill because there are so many influencers running at the same time. Yeah.
Okay. I will remind Faris as well.
Yep. Okay, then it looks like, oh wait, sorry, it reduced the effort, no? If that's the case, right, reduce the effort already. We don't need normal voucher on e-voucher already. Think about it. If the flow is about members portal, wallet top up, receive normal voucher, apply on online shop, we do not even need anything. We have a US, right? Use normal voucher, apply on e-voucher, right?
Yeah.
Remember, don't need already. If we decide to skip because top up wallet, normal voucher, buy e-voucher, unlock online shop, is too much friction, sure fail one.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah. I don't even know how to write the description, man. It's a joke. like what is it, right? What do you want an influencer to say, man? I don't even know what they want to say. Correct, right?
Correct.
Yeah. So if they want to present anything, if the influencer want to talk about something, they go straight to the online shop. They just present this.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. And how do you get all the vouchers to unlock this? Just top out your wallet. That's it. That's the only thing they need to say.
Correct.
Yeah.
We don't
Yeah,
need
and this
to
and this will survive. I love your idea for this for sure, right? So this will survive even after the influencer. Yeah, it will survive, right? Then this will just, they can do their own campaign, and we can even do targeted marketing talking about this. Blast out to all the high monetary user, and just tell them, top up the wallet on this. Yeah, but the only thing, okay, so it seems like we have reduced all coding effort. So Noah, from this meeting, right, you can tell that we have reduced a lot of coding effort. The primary coding effort is actually on members portal. UI UX is really you know what I mean, right? We spoke. Yeah.
The public one is the UI UX on member portal top up.
Yeah, we put on hold the normal voucher on e-voucher first. Put on hold. I don't think we need it. You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, we hold that. Take away all the coding effort for that. We shift it to members portal UI UX. Yeah, but at the same time, if you ask me, I would say that if there is really a coding effort, not UI UX only, right? The thing is, can we do this function properly? Which is the top up wallet, get the voucher. Can we spend more effort to get this correct? Means that this portion, right? It cannot be I top out $10 and above. It's very weird. Can we have different tier of topping of voucher issuance? That means that we can preset 10, 30, and whatever, right? Yeah, but of course, yes, I do understand that if I top out 10 and above, I can get the same set, right? X number of vouchers. And it cannot be one voucher, right? It should be more than one voucher, correct?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So that getting the number of voucher is the first step you need to work with them. Second thing is down here. I think there should be a tier. If I I mean, right now we just keep to one campaign. But if this thing were to scale really to work for real purposes, not just C241, shouldn't it be a different tier? Like if you top up more, I give you more.
I see.
Yeah, it shouldn't be. I top up 10 above, then it's flat, right? And 10 is such a small number. Right? Yeah.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, and early on I didn't say 10, I said 20, right? What was the value I thought about? 20, right? Do you remember?
20 is the voucher e-voucher pricing on online shop. 10 is like top up because 20 is come to merchant sell, but top up.
No. The final value I thought about was 20. The money goes to the customer anyway. It's the customer money. It was 20, right? It was not 10, right? Pretty sure.
As I remember, it's 10.
Yeah, just change it to 20 lah. Even for online shop, 10 is too small already. It's a joke. Right? Can you go? Yeah, can we have the proper setup in our sample site as well? Can we go 20, 40, 60, 80, 100? Actually, it's too little as well. So can we do 20, 20, 60, 100, 200 kind of thing? 20, 60, 100, 200, 500. 20, 60, 100, 200. That's it. 20, 60,
Sure.
4 columns, and of course others. Wait, how come don't have others one? Don't have custom one? Wait, I think the coding is all messed up. It's not like that one. There's a custom value not hitting 1000, if I remember. Right. This is wrong. Okay, so I recap. 20,
20, 50, 100, 200, and 500.
20, 50, 100, 20, 50, 100, 200. Yeah, keep it to just for first. 20, 20, 20, 50, 100, 200. Yeah, you want to put more also can lah. Like, yeah, 500, 1000. Right, okay, I write for you. All right.
Yeah,
All right,
that's the other as well.
放在楼应该是楼下。
Cannot 1000 step.
Maximum how much?
500.
Yeah, no lah. They anyhow write one. You can ignore them. Yeah, but okay. We work within a limitation first. Yeah, but 500 is too small. But it's okay. We work with limitation. But still cannot lah. So I need to up the. Yeah. I better give them the proper. Right. Hang on. I'm writing inside requirements book.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, you can see my UAC, right?
Okay. Twenty, 50, 100.
Okay,
Okay.
right, that's it. Can?
Can.
Yeah, then this is sustainable, right? I mean, really want to say it's a very good thinking, right? I love the idea. Yeah, sorry, I was just putting a bit more particular on how we implement it, but the idea came from you, so good job.
Yeah, no worry, thank you.
I'm
Just
I'm just your Robin sidekick. You are the Batman who came out with the idea.
no, because I'm doing the top up bonus.
Yep.
Even I top up the dollar one, so
Just nice.
just relate.
Okay, Mika, I know there's more ticket on your side. I'm talking on the move, so give me a moment.
Yeah, if you're busy, we can continue tomorrow. Cause
Okay. It's okay, no problem, no problem. Unless my network is terrible, then we have to do tomorrow. But it's okay.
could hai mươi. I got him.
Testing, can you hear me?
Yeah, can.
Yeah,
Okay, great.
can.
Okay, let's carry on. Okay. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready to carry on.
Okay, okay. Give me 1 minute.
Sure, take your time. Just nice and get into the car first.
Uh-huh.
I'm not driving, don't worry.
Okay, allow me to share screen.
Mm. Mm. Something wrong with my Wi-Fi. Mm. Mm. Oh. Can you hear me? Testing, testing. Hello.
Yeah, can.
Okay, great. Okay, let's carry on.
Allow me to just one.
Yep, sure. Thanks.
Cannot share. Other is sharing. Can you stop sharing screen, Steve?
Oh. Okay.
Thank you. Let's stop. Today I would like to go through with you for the Eagle bonus top up.
Yep, yep.
The bonus one, not the voucher one.
Oh, yeah, as we are going to this today, right? You
Yeah.
can see how challenging it is, just what we discussed early on, and this one. The UI need to change already.
Yeah, that's it.
I don't even need to look at this US. I can tell you their enhancement is redone already. Because now
Yeah.
it's not just about the money, it's about vouchers unlocking.
Yeah, right. You're right.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, but you know what is the good news? The good news is here. It is quite unlikely any merchant will choose A and B together. So A is bonus money, B is bonus voucher. It is almost unlikely, 99% of the time, that a merchant will want to give both.
yeah.
You get that? You get the idea?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because which merchant want to do it? It's double bonus, you know.
Correct.
So it's literally only one. Yeah, so this quite safe to assume this way first.
Yeah, correct. You're right. But however, we still need to update the UI UX on member portal.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Okay. Yep.
So let me go straight to the online shop UI first.
Yep.
If we
Okay.
rely on the UI, and then we will go to the setting on merchant panel, because
Okay.
we make the setting to align with the online shop, what we want to display.
Okay.
So
Yeah. Okay.
okay. Start with QR ordering first, the pay first, pay later.
Yeah. Okay. Go ahead. Can you hear me?
Yeah, can.
Can hear. Okay.
Can you see my screen? My our
Very cute. I can see your prototype running.
yeah. Fauzi and I has working for like 1 week for this prototype.
Mhm.
And you high fidelity UI. So we come up with several suggestions on the UI.
Okay.
The first one, when
Okay.
customer they scan the QR code, we will display
Mhm.
the Eagle laptop up and bonus with this icon and this add button here on the online shop, on the online outlet homepage. On click, we will ask customer to log in sign up. Hello.
Sẽ tắt mic rồi. Chị ra ngoài xỉu nhé.
Oh, beautiful wallpaper. Really nice.
Hi Steve, can you hear me?
I can hear you. Very nice wallpaper. Really nice.
Okay, thank you. On click, we will ask customer to log in, sign up.
Yep.
If they want to buy. And the login flow, we also come up with two solutions, but I will show you later.
Sorry, just one small step back. How to get into this member top up? Just hang on.
Just
How do you
on the
even get to
online shop homepage. Outlet homepage.
Yep. How do you trigger just now the top up?
Click add button.
Okay, got it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Customer will log in. Currently
Sure.
we file like it's follow our login sign up flow.
Yep.
Yeah, upon login, we will display a toast login successful.
Okay.
Proceed with
Okay.
your top up tier.
Okay.
And if customer they want to top up right away, they click and we will display the payment option.
Nice. So okay, very interesting. You're not redirecting anymore. Very nice.
Not redirecting.
Okay.
Not yet.
Okay, not yet. Yeah, okay, got it. Carry on.
Customer they can select pay on mobile or pay at counter. I will show you the pay at counter flow first.
Okay, pause here a while. So you know what is going to happen, right? If we do e-wallet top up and the bonus, right? Whatever we discussed just now, right? Needs to be shown.
Yeah.
Correct, right? So you need to incorporate this design with our meeting earlier on.
Yeah, the voucher bonus one, right?
Yeah, it becomes bonus voucher.
It's a new one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's not so hard. It's just bonus voucher equals to how many vouchers. They click on it, they can see more.
Sure.
Yeah, so it's not that tough, right?
Yeah. Just on click display the product detail with the list of voucher.
Yep.
Yeah. If customer they click on pay on mobile, it will navigate to the get paycheck out.
Oh, sorry. I need to hold more. I have a lot of thoughts in my head right now.
Okay.
Right. So, hang on. So, hang on. Let's see. Yeah. So we are limiting the campaign. C241 wants to limit the campaign to a different site. Let's see. The challenge is down here. When we talk about e-wallet top out, right? Is it a function that we switch on one, it will display on both member portal as well as online shop? Or are we able to separate on off each site? You get what I'm trying to say?
Yeah, we will separate. We will separate learning from the e-voucher bundle. We will separate like allow to turn on, turn off between online shop and member portal.
Yeah. But the DOR is all on. DOR must be everything on, right? Just that those who do want, then we will switch off one of it.
Sure.
DOR global all on. Yeah. Except C241.
Oh, okay. Save.
Yeah, I'm sure C241 will go on later as well after the influencer. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So on click on the top up, if customer they want to top up right away, we will display the payment option.
Okay.
Yeah, and the copy text is like pay on mobile, new wallet credit available immediately. Pay at counter, new wallet credit available.
Sorry. Last 5 seconds, I drop out. I pressed my earpiece and I went out of the meeting. 5 seconds. Repeat 5 seconds.
Okay.
My earphone, if I press wrongly, you will go out. Sorry. Yeah, again.
No worry. We can continue tomorrow.
No, it's totally okay. If I press wrongly, I press my earpiece wrongly. Carry on.
I still can carry on, right?
Yeah, nothing to do with the network. Is I press wrongly.
Okay. So if customer they select the top up, for example, top up 100 minus 15, we ask them to like select payment option, pay on mobile or pay at counter.
Sure.
Yeah.
Hang on, let me read the copy text a bit.
Yeah, correct.
New wallet credit available immediately.
New wallet. Oh, credit available after cash. Yeah, good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Yep.
Yeah. If customer they
Yep.
select pay at counter, we will display the top up.
Can you add one more word? Sorry, back. Just add one more keyword.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, go back to that screen. Yep. Okay, this word. Pay at counter. Hang on. Yeah. So there's just one word. Inside here. Only after. And bold the only.
Sure.
Yep. Oh, yeah. Yep. That's it. Yeah, the only is super important. Yeah. Yep. Flow is good. The flow is nice so far. Very good. Yeah, you put it into all the consideration already. The one that I told you, how do we get the user to do that? Yeah. But first pay on mobile, we'll still redirect out to guest pay for sure.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, no choice PCI. Yeah.
Okay. If customer they select the pay at counter here, we will display a pop-up like top up request received and status of payment and
yep. Interesting. So we are not allowing them to place order at this moment.
Yeah, if they select top up first.
No, yeah, correct. So what you're trying to do is that the moment they select this, we are not allowing them to place order lah.
Yeah.
Think about it. Why? Think about it. Why not? Sorry, why not?
Okay.
Why not? I'm trying to understand why. So we do not want them to carry on to order. We just want them to focus on finishing the top up first. Is that what you're suggesting?
Yeah.
Why? Well, is there rationale? Is there reason? Is it a human reason or is it a system reason? I don't see a human reason to it.
You're right.
Yeah, what's the human reason to that?
No, it's not the human reason. It's just my functional thinking. Sorry. I think I lost the add more item flow here.
Yeah.
So in the event customer they select top up, we still allow them to go to online shop and add
Exactly.
order. Okay.
Exactly. And that's the reason, that's what I've been talking to Mika all along. Every single meeting we had on this, I keep asking Mika, how do you handle the case? Which she has not presented to me until now. I keep asking the question, how do you handle the conflict? Not even conflict. How do you handle a customer going to the counter with unpaid bill plus top out pay at the counter? How do you prevent the cashier from making a mistake? I repeat again, this is like the most important part of the entire pass UX. The entire UX of the pass is dependent and hinges on this flow. As long as the cashier press wrongly, go and bill before topping out, right? It's gonna be a big trouble because the cashier need to void everything and redo the entire order. And it's gonna be a complete mess. Let me explain to you. Number one, the biggest problem with our pass app is once we bill, the end. That's the end. You cannot do anything. You need to void the whole bill. And not just that, if the cashier try to re-enter the bill, everything will be sent to the kitchen. Sure mess up the operation. We don't even have skip printing to the cashier, to the kitchen. Mika, correct? Remember?
Yeah, correct. You're right.
Yeah. So the key thing is how do you make sure the cashier don't make a mistake?
Yeah, on the past app, we intend that we will combine everything on one order. One order can include the
I love that.
order.
That's a very, very good suggestion, but the coding is going to be extremely complex. Because when you accept that, when combine everything together, means what? Means you combine everything together, you need to apply the bill with the wallet payment immediately as well. Is that what you're saying? So one single flow.
We will go with
it's not easy,
Yeah, I already discussed with dev team, so they say that we can do that.
Okay, so the logic must be very clear, It has to proceed with top out first.
Yeah, correct.
Top out the wallet, use the wallet to apply the blah, blah, blah. And cannot have any breakage. So if any breakage, sorry, I'm just trying to server call this flow is. So I'm sure you know what is called payment synchronization, STR. Sorry, Noah, and I know it's a technical term, but Noah and Mika, I'm sure you all know, right? In payment, if somebody fire a payment request doing payment, the payment gateway always fire back to check to make sure the response received or not received. In the event even internet drops, server disconnect, the STR gets is e-commerce system will still fire SDR to check the response to make sure payment is successfully collected. Yeah, I'm sure you understand this, right? You know what it's called a callback response, right?
Yeah.
Do you all know? Do you all know technically what is called callback response, especially in payment? Because you cannot have a case where it paid already, then the system not synchronized, right? So in all payment company, the most difficult part is checking the synchronization, right? Because you cannot have a double payment, failed payment, never payment don't synchronize. So far, you can understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, can.
Yeah, understand.
Yeah, okay. So imagine that is just payment, right? So, Mika, what you are introducing now, right? I like the idea, but you know what it means? You not only have payment, you have payment plus CRM plus payment, three times flow in one. How much sync and
Sorry, Steve, can
sync
you
issue
repeat
we
that? The international
may
it may be
potentially face, and how much very clear. If you talk about normal payment, is e-commerce between payment. It's only one payment, and one callback, correct? One payment and one callback. Can you understand?
Steve, can you repeat that?
Hello.
Yeah.
Okay, my network is dropping. Sorry, hang on a while. My network is dropping. Hang on. Can you hear? Is my network okay? Testing.
Yeah, okay now.
Testing. Okay now. Okay. So in e-commerce and payment, can you hear what I say? E-commerce and payment, can you hear?
Yeah, can.
Okay, so in e-commerce and payment, we always need to check the response of the status, correct? We call it callback.
Yeah,
We call
right.
it SDR lah, SDR. Just call it status response check in an event of fail or unknown status, correct? If I fail to receive payment successful, I need to prompt back within how many seconds. This is called the response check. Okay, that is
Yeah.
called. Imagine this is only payment, e-commerce and payment. But now what you are introducing is e-commerce to payment, which is top up wallet. Finish already, need to credit CRM, second critical flow. Credit finish CRM, which is called a wallet amount, right? And then third flow is called redo the payment again, which is use the CRM onto the payment. So there is three critical flow, which means the implementation cannot fail. All you need is one of the three steps that missing, right? The transaction will fail one. And I can tell you the password will hang there forever.
Yeah, got that.
It is highly complicated to do three steps instead. Nowadays, three checkpoints now instead of one checkpoint, Could be four, could be even four checkpoints. So basically, technically, it's super hard to achieve fully sync, no unsync. You get what I'm trying to say?
Yeah, get that.
Yeah, so it's a lot of pressure on the dev team to make sure this don't fail. Yeah, and if they don't understand this logic, I better think that call Budi in for a meeting. I need Budi in this meeting so that he knows exactly what is being proposed. You understand? Yeah, it's not easy. I can tell you, it will fail one. All you need is one step fail, right? The whole operations will stop. You get it?
Yeah, got that.
Yeah. So again, I put that question to you because the technical answer is not easy. Okay, it's really not easy. We better have Budi. We better have you. We need you in the meeting. We need Budi in the meeting. We need Hui in the meeting. Right, the four of us must be in the meeting to get this architecture flow, this functional flow super clear.
Yeah, okay, got you.
Okay, it's not easy at all, right? Okay.
Yeah, okay.
So Pass app can handle all this thing within one flow. It's really tough. Yeah, but that's the ideal UX. You got it right. That is the correct UX. Okay,
Yeah.
but Mika, can I advise you something? That don't just how do I say that? There must be a way on the. I haven't seen your UX and UI again, but there must be a way, right? The cashier can cancel wallet top up if required. Right, means that the customer changed their mind, right? Hey, actually, I don't want to top up already. How do we cancel that? Is there a way to cancel it? Because
Uh,
all it takes, right? All
yeah.
it takes is the customer change their mind, right? The entire operations will stop again.
You're right. You're right. I missed this. The cancel action for the cashier cancel top up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's why I say it's so important you run through with me what you're implementing, because I can tell you the
Okay. Allow
critical
me to
things
share
that
my
will stop
screen.
operations. Yeah.
Share chưa luôn à?
Thôi share luôn đi. Yeah. On the pass app, we will get the order as the normal logic. So we just update here. For example, if the customer
Oh wow, I like the icon. E-wallet top up. Wow. Okay. What is the button supposed to do? What is the e-wallet top up button supposed to do?
Yeah, it's allow cashier to choose the packet top up tier and add to
Nice.
order immediately.
Okay. Got it. Yeah. So okay, you're trying to show me event A. This is for the online shop customer do it themselves, right? So you are not
right.
showing me cashier doing it themselves, not cashier manual action, right? You are showing me
right.
online shop customer.
Yeah,
Right, but
right.
how do I even know? I look at this. Stop, don't move. I look at this screen. How do I even know there's a pop up? It says nothing.
Yes, will be displayed on the payment detail, payment summary.
Cannot. Sorry. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Cannot. The awareness must be straight away.
Yeah, got you. So I will get the e-wallet top up tier selected here.
Correct. Yeah, and it's not just that, you put the e-wallet top out here, right? The amount, everything, right? Yeah. I think amount is okay. Yeah, amount is okay. But just that you cannot add one more line here. You add one more line here, right? Yeah, how do I say it? Yeah, you need to think about the design, right? The cashier needs to be very aware that it requires a pop out for this one.
Yeah, got that.
Okay.
The information here is quite hard to solve.
Sorry. Okay, yeah, take your time, take your time. When you're ready, just tell me.
I think I will show the top of equality information on this order like this, and the order the payment detail will be included on this.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Put a little icon lah. Choose yeah, I know. Choose a wallet top out icon. Choose a wallet top out icon. Yeah, put it
Yeah.
on the left hand side of the words. Can you hear me? Testing. Can
Yeah,
you hear me?
can hear.
Okay. Remember later you can add an icon, which is like a wallet icon.
Yeah. Example, customer add the food item on the order, and they will add, they already add the top of wallet on the order. So we will show like this.
Can.
Yeah, when click
Can.
on the proceed to pay, we will show the payment summary on that. So we will calculate the payment for top of
Sorry,
200.
a few things I need to. So hang on. Can you hear me? Hello.
Can.
Hello. Can you hear me? Okay, give me a
Yeah,
moment.
can hear you clearly.
Okay. Give me a moment. I cannot find my pencil. Where is my where I cannot draw? Wait, something draw. I need to draw again, sorry. My pencil is I found it. I found my pencil here. Okay, here. Okay, sorry. Go back to the screen. In between these two screens.
Can you see that?
Yep. Okay. Show me these two screens. Okay, good. Stay here. All right. Be very careful on this function and this function. Right. The moment a top up is selected, right? Do you allow to remove membership or change membership? You got to think a bit on this. This button and this button.
Yeah, can. We are currently allowed cashier remove or change member information.
Yeah, so when you remove, what will happen? If you remove member, how to top up if there's no member?
If we remove the member, we will ask cashier get the information, the phone number from the customer and key in again.
Okay, got it. Okay, I hear you.
And if the customer change the member information, we will require cashier key in the OTP code for payment.
Okay, good. Okay, you will cover this with me later, right? I'm sure you were going through with me the manual flow, right? You have the flow, right?
Yeah, right. Cashier.
All right. Can you hear me? Okay,
Yeah,
I will join the Zoom again. Give me a moment. There's some lag. I join the Zoom again.
Yeah, okay.
Chị cho số luôn ảnh online shop được xong rồi chị để mãi họp PWA.
Để xong cái đoạn luôn đoạn này được không? Cái đoạn mà thanh toán đi này. Để là cái cái đoạn mà 2 step ấy, rồi mai họp xong cái PWA rồi chị xin họp với body cái phần nữa luôn.
Rồi 2 step là gì á?
2 step là thanh toán xong 250 là hẳn chia làm 2 step. Một step là top up 250.
Sorry, hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah, can.
Okay, I was not in the meeting for the last 1 minute, right? I told you, right? Do you hear me, Sarah? I say I rejoined the Zoom. There it goes. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello? Okay, I need to do a network test, right? I say 1, 2, 3. I need Nika. You will say 4, 5, 6. I repeat later. I will say 1, 2, 3. The moment I finish 3, you say 4, 5, 6. Okay, start. 1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6.
Again. 1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6.
Okay, what? No lag. 1 second. Okay, Ken. Okay, carry on. Okay, okay. Yep. Okay. Okay, carry on.
Yeah, when click on the proceed to pay, we will collect collect payment in one time for food and for top up.
Yeah.
For example, we have the order total is like this.
Okay. Okay, I think I need to repeat. My network dropped a little bit. Give me a moment. Give me a moment. Let me stabilize my.
Dạ. Thật ra cái luôn đó nếu mà bên get pay hắn cũng phải làm ý nữa anh ạ. Pay first đi. Nếu mà luôn pay first hắn cũng phải làm một step như nữa. Là vừa thanh toán nhận 250, xong mới top up 300, xong mới lấy 300 nữa là thanh toán tiếp cho 194 đô. Thì pay first hắn cũng phải làm nữa.
Ý là khách khu lý tin là ai gửi cái sequence vậy?
Hoang.
Ý là mấy cái chỗ luôn pay later á, em mua 150 đô lúc nãy á. Xong em add more item. Thì là hắn sẽ lấy 115 đô là hắn thanh toán à? Hay là?
Đúng. Lại 115 đô nữa thanh toán.
Hello, can you hear
Ủa,
me?
vậy?
Hello.
Vậy đấy. Yeah, hello. We can hear you.
Hello. Okay, great. I do one more check, right? I do want to.
No,
I'll do the
one, two,
test
three.
again. 1, 2,
4, 5, 6.
3.
Yeah, 4, 5, 6.
Again. Faster. Much faster. Okay, again. 1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6.
Okay, like 2 seconds. 2 seconds, like.
Oh.
我说跟他一起。哦，OK。哦，OK。OK。Okay, come carry on.
Yeah, for example, customer have a
Carry on,
food
shall we?
order. Oh, maybe delay 2 seconds or 3 seconds. For example, the customer
Yeah, it's
have
okay. Carry on.
a food order like this 194 point the grand total is like this.
Yep.
And they already choose top of 250.
Yep.
So they need to pay more like this number. The total they need to pay 250. Then cashier just pay for one transaction for payment.
Okay,
for
I hear you.
250.
Change the copy text for this one.
Yeah.
So change it to not pay more, but rather think additional amount. Yeah, additional amount. Just write remove pay more, replace by additional amount. Oh yo. Okay. Too long. Yeah, but let me see. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I think that works. Yeah. Yep.
Yes.
Can.
I think that the cashier just proceed to pay for one payment transaction for 250.
Very good. Yeah. Okay. Very good.
Yeah, and after complete payment, in this payment, the server need to do two transactions. The first one is top up e-wallet $200 and receive $300. And the second one is yield the wallet member balance to pay for food order.
Yep.
Yeah, after they complete order, we will show like this.
Mhm.
They can choose any payment method, but they can select member balance for the top up e-wallet payment.
Very confused. Sorry, you lost me. So I don't understand. Say everything again. What do you mean by they can choose other method, but they can choose? You lost me.
Yeah,
You just told me it's one flow, right? After you tell me one flow, then suddenly you say you can choose other. Sorry,
yeah.
very
Just
confused.
finish the
Go
first follow
slowly. Go
first.
slowly.
Yeah, just finish the first follow that they complete payment. When the cashier complete the payment, we will do a two transaction here.
Yeah, no. You're missing every step, right? You need to tell me very clearly what the cashier need to do. You need to run through the UX with me step by step. Don't
Yeah.
jump. Don't suddenly tell me, oh, finish already. The cashier finished already. There's no such thing as suddenly finished. You know, you are doing a validation with me, so you need to walk me through every single button pressed.
Yeah, okay.
Can you understand? Yeah.
Can.
You need to run through every event, every button pressed.
Yeah, for this payment, the cashier can choose the get paid transaction, get paid payment method, pay now, the card, the any payment method here, but they
Okay.
can
Okay.
select, they cannot select member balance for payment.
Oh, okay. 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 What if they have member balance? Do you allow or do not allow?
We still allow for because the top of the amount here is for top of e-wallet, so they can choose the member balance for payment.
So
They cannot
I cannot.
choose.
Can or cannot? Sorry, you're not.
I can.
I cannot hear your answer. You're speaking too fast. Slow down on the most important word you want to tell me. Don't
Yeah.
elaborate other thing because I don't even understand. You are trying to tell me can use or cannot use. We use full English. Don't use shortened English. It's either can or cannot.
Yeah.
So can you try again?
We have two case here. The first case
Yep.
is like this: $250 here is for
Okay.
top of value. So cashier cannot use member balance for payment.
Okay. Okay.
And in case
This is correct. Yeah, this is correct. But I'm not sure whether you got write this inside your UAC because you are showing me. I'm not seeing any notes down here. Yeah. So if I'm a developer, I may not understand.
Yeah, and I have another case that the cashier can use member balance for payment.
And what is that case?
The case here, when the customer choose a lower packet for the order, so the customer needs to pay more.
Show me the example.
Yeah, another case is I have an order like this number, like this amount. So, but they choose the top up wallet. The top up tier is $100 for $150.
Okay. So this one a bit
Yeah.
misleading, right? E-wallet top up 100 bonus.
Yeah. Let's
Yeah.
mean
So the 100 is the face value or the purchase value.
purchase value.
Yeah, so then it's wrong, right? Because the face value is more than 100, right?
Yeah. So let's top up
Okay.
tier. In this case, in the previous meeting, you advised me that for which you allow cashier to this tier.
Correct.
But
But you need to write properly. Don't hang on. Write properly. Write the full words inside. Don't make the cashier guess. The last thing we want is the cashier don't know what is this, don't know how to explain. Right. So write full words. Right. You get it right. Don't write things that is like that. Because what is the face value? What's the purchase value? People need to guess. The moment people need to guess, it will be a problem. Yeah, you can write e-wallet bonus, like top up 100 for 115. Don't need 4 don't need 4. Can even be a next line.
Yeah.
Don't need top up e-wallet again. Why need you write all the repeated word? Don't repeat. Just top up 100 for yeah.
Thế thì just one line, okay.
Top up 100 is wrong. Top up 100 for 115. I keep repeating. You need a full words and then you skip the 115. Now what's the point to write full words? Do you get it? Mika, you still don't get it.
Yeah.
You're still writing it totally wrong.
What
Yeah.
you mean 100 for 1.5?
Yeah, you need to make the user know what is this. Don't make people guess. Can you understand?
Yeah, understand.
And why is it minus 15? I don't get it.
Because when they use this type of e-wallet, they can get the bonus in case you redeem on this order.
Yep. Hang on, minus 15 is very wrong. Minus 15 is very wrong. Why are you giving a discount? I don't get it. It looks like a discount. You know what is the meaning of minus 15, right? It's a discount.
Yeah, I mean it's this the bonus. And
No.
They can get the bonus and apply on the order.
Yeah, but you don't write minus 15. What is minus 15?
Yeah.
It is not minus 15. It's minus 115. You get it? You are trying to minus the payment amount, right? It should be shown as a payment amount. Payment method. This is a payment method. You need to show as a payment method. Do you not get it?
Yeah, got that.
You are trying to apply this as a payment method, so it needs to be a payment method and not randomly suddenly become a discount line. What are you writing? There's no such function.
Từ từ đổ đi. Cái đó đó.
E-wallet is always applied as a payment method. There is no such thing as minus 15 or even minus 115. Even minus 115 is wrong. It is a payment method. It is not a discount. This line is very misleading. Minus is wrong. Minus 115 is wrong also. In fact, the placement of this line down here is totally wrong already. Do you get it? This is the payment method. Okay, can you first remove 15? It should be 115. Can you just correct this? No. Can you put back 115 first?
Viết 115 á, 115 xong rồi đổi thành cái UI payment method mà bữa chị nói payment mode e-wallet payment amount 115.
Correct. No way you got it. Although I don't understand 100%, but what you say is correct. It is a payment method, not a discount line or sum line or whatever line.
Viết thêm từ nào 115.
Kiểu đó. Đổi cái dòng pay với payment mode một lên thôi. Kéo lên để em kéo cho.
Đây. 115 thì đây còn là 115 79.61.
Yeah, this is correct.
Xin thưa.
Thanks, Noah. Help me clarify. Yeah,
No.
so it's the same for your case, Noah. It's the same for your case as well.
Yeah. 64.61.
64 hả?
The total should not change. You need to have 2 lines of total. The total shouldn't change.
Yeah, you're right. Cái này là
Because
một-
the receipt needs to show correctly.
179.
I repeat again, your receipt needs to show the right grand total. It's a payment method and remaining payment amount.
194.61 thì đúng rồi chị, 79 á. 79.61. 194.61 thêm dòng nữa, 79.61.
Yeah, so sometimes, right, you may not need to squeeze inside this screen. It may not be within this screen, right? So, you don't try to squeeze everything inside. Whatever is the original receipt cannot change one, right? The logic cannot change, right? The only suggestion is you can move it below, right? Need to write a new remaining amount payment, move it below, or you can literally come out with a new pop-up. Got it?
Got that. Nhưng mà để chị xem thử là anh thấy cái số
Some
tiền.
more you're using cashier function, right? If you're using cashier function, you should make use of the cashier function, isn't it? Yeah, so but before even you go here, right? Sorry, I need you to know that we must be able to revert this status. I'm very worried because the more we try to make the tag easy, right, the more danger it will have. The danger is they press wrongly, right? Wow, it's going to be a mess. So Mika, I need you to be very aware on what is the problem with our pass and our pause. Our pass and pause is the keyword. Sorry for me to use this word. Our system is unforgiving. Do you know why it's called unforgiving? Go and Google this word. Unforgiving means when I press something wrong, that's the end. Forgiving. Yeah. It means, right, you press wrongly, right, the end. You know what I mean?
I got that.
If the cashier press one time, right, oh no. I tell you, right, the cashier will cry. Right, so the more we make it automated, the more you only have 2 things to do. If you want to make it automated, option A is, yes, we can ask the cashier whether to confirm, blah, blah, blah. But confirm is good and no good, right? So, but the best way is to be able to revert 100%. Revert means, right, I pressed the payment method wrongly. As long as you don't close the bill or within one, as long as I don't close the bill or, within a certain time, I can revert, go back to the original. Yeah. So yeah, but it's very dangerous to 100% close the bill, right? If somebody 100% close the bill and can revert, it's very dangerous. You know why, right? Because people can cheat. The cashier can do funny things. You get what I'm trying to say?
Yeah. Got that.
Yeah, but in this case, it is as long as it's not 100% pay. My suggestion is always right. So I'll give you the answer, right? Because I think our team don't know how to design this for 10 years already. Like it's a good 10 years and we still never get it right. So Mika, please get this correct from today onwards. As long as the bill is not closed, allow the cashier to revert anything they want. I repeat, as long as the bill is not closed 100%, revert anything they want. Can you understand?
Can.
And it's not only applied to this user story, it applies and backdate all the way to day 1 of our mistakes. You know how we do billing, right? Today I press partial payment cash, partial payment voucher. The moment we press, right, the end of the world, cannot revert. Funny, right?
Yes, Steve, for the payment by cash or voucher, we can use the
Cannot,
change method.
please don't tell me, stop it. Please stop telling me, Mika, you know me. I've been telling you, stop saying this already. Stop telling me after the bill is closed, they can go and change. It is already punishing and unforgiving. Do you get it? Mika,
Yeah,
the only way to change the payment is close the bill, right?
Yeah, correct.
What if the amount is wrong? Do you get it? Do you know why it's called unforgiving? Once I press something wrongly, I'm in trouble.
Okay, got you.
Please do not tell me again, we can change the payment method after close the bill. You think it's correct? If a cashier make a mistake, it's correct? I press just one number wrongly, that's the end. You get it? So listen very carefully to what I say. If a bill is not fully closed, allow all the revert function back. Get it? Just tell me you understand. Do you understand?
Yeah, understand.
You got it, right? Yeah, it can be
When
back or it can be back or remove the payment method. Doesn't matter. I leave it to you. Okay?
Okay.
You really get it, right? Really get it, right? Don't commit the value into the server for an unclosed bill. Don't.
Okay, got you.
Yeah. If you want to commit
You're
the
right.
value to the server, sure. You want to commit, sure, but make sure you can undo it.
Okay, got you.
Okay? I want you to be a cashier for a day, then you know how dangerous our system is. You get it now?
Okay, I got that.
Yeah, you'll be very scary, right? Today, if you're a cashier, I pressed one number wrongly, the end, man. Oh no, I need to key in everything again. Oh man, can you imagine buffet? Buffet. Honestly, I'm very amazed. Tajimaya and all of them, right? All the buffet concept dare to use us. Can you imagine buffet concept? If they press wrongly, you know how many items a la carte buffet customer order? You know what I'm saying, right? It's many
Yeah.
items, right? Can be 50, 60 items, right?
Mm.
So what you want the cashier to do? You want the cashier to run to the kitchen and tell them, please ignore the 60 pieces of paper coming up. Cannot be, right?
Yeah, right.
Yeah. Okay. So like I say, the user experience is key to a BA, right? We need to know why we are implementing what we are implementing. Okay. Yeah. So please don't answer me again and say that, close the bill can change payment method. The error is not just the payment method. Okay.
Okay, got you. Mm.
Yeah. So can we start off from here first? Show the revert, and immediately after this sprint, I mean, if we can, right, change everything, change everything. I'm not asking to change it after billing, correct? You can check with you. Go and talk to you right now. I want you to talk to you. Ask you, right, in terms of payment method, before the bill is fully closed, are the values committed to the server? Or no, it's only on the iPad? Ask this question. Just go and ask. I want to know also. Yeah, so it's a simple question. Partially paid, partially paid. A check that is partially paid, is the value immediately synced to server or only after fully closed. Of course, write non-gets pay. Don't write gets pay. Yeah, ignore gets pay payment method. Can you understand, right?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah, yeah. You just ask first. Yeah, take your time. Take your time. I want to know also. Wow, you asked the whole world. For pass and pause, pass, pause, cashier. Not refund, not refund. Wow, luckily I can understand
Pass
one
or pay.
English word.
Pass or pay.
Wow, luckily I can understand one English word.
Pass.
You can bracket non-gets pay, ignore gets pay payment, right? Or rather, partial pay, without gets pay, no gets pay. Others, all others, all others.
Mm.
Yeah, non gets pay, yeah, correct. Okay. Yeah, okay. See what they
Yeah.
Yeah, so you get a point, right? As long as the bill is not fully closed, right? I'm quite sure, all the value on pass and process is not synced to the server, except gets paid. Right? Noah, if you are here as well, something that I want you to also learn. Like, it's very common, right? Our team, I hope both of you understand, we started off with pure gets paid, correct? Yeah. So, and because of that logic we had, the team didn't think further. They look at the entire functional flow. They commit payment to be synced to the server because of gets paid, right? It has to be synced. Payment needs to be synced. Yeah. So because of that, we kind of force our system to follow the weird logic since that day. You get it, right? Nobody ever questioned. Yeah. Yeah. So these are architectural issues as well. Yeah. So but it starts off with BA identifying it first. Like the BA and the PO needs to identify, hey, that's wrong, man. Like, why are we treating cash equals to gets paid? Why need to sync to server and then forever lock it and cannot undo? Right. So yeah, so the who and the why is just very different. Right? Yeah. Even for gets paid payment, no. Even if we talk about gets paid, who says the cashier cannot refund a partially paid gets paid? Strictly speaking, must be able to, right? You think about it. Why do we only allow refund at billing and closing? Let's talk about gets paid, right? Even talk about gets paid partial payment. Why is it strictly no refund of partially paid gets paid? Only when you close the bill, then you can refund the whole bill. Can any one of you here tell me what is the user story behind it?
I think for the get pay payment method, we need to call to
User story như này, đừng có giải thích nợ người nợ mau người nợ.
Yeah, Noah, you get my question, right? Like, yeah, Noah, Nian is trying to give me a technical answer again.
Oh, you understand Vietnamese?
Yeah, so like, who came up with that user story, man? What used that? Such that, right, we were strictly not allowed any refund until we close the bill. What kind of user story is that? Correct, right?
Yeah, correct.
Steve, they say that until the order has been full paid, we will call the app will call server to update the payment information to order.
Except gets paid, right? So yeah, now you can ask the next question.
Yeah, except get paid, just for non-get paid.
Correct. Now you ask them, if we get paid, you ask a cute question. So if we get paid, what's the logic if there's gets paid payment? Partial. Yeah, so Noah, you totally get my question, right? Very weird, right? Can you hear me? Testing?
Yes. Can.
Yeah, but quite cute, right? The way we design our user story, unknown one, right? Like, we allow refund only when you fully close the bill. Like, huh? like, why? There's no reason, hun. Totally no reason. Yeah. Yeah, because early on, I think our PO or rather the BA process, like there's gaps, right? There's no conversation. There's probably not very clear. I think the team meant well, trying to just quickly finish the story, but not knowing why it is that way. Yeah. Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. Yeah. In fact, Noah, is the other way around. We should facilitate people to revert before closing. Because it's not even committed. The receipt is not printed. The customer is still there. There's nothing to worry about. Correct? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. The danger is actually after closing. But we are building this opposite. We are making sure if the customer is there, once you key in, you cannot change. So, I mean, the logic is completely off, Like, before, when the customer is there, please allow the cashier to make changes quickly, right? But on the opposite, we design our software to make sure the cashier cannot change anything one key wrongly. Funny, right? Yeah. Okay, Mika, you fully understand the user story now, right? And what is wrong with our system, right?
Yeah, understand.
Now you know why I keep talking about this topic to you non-stop. Not the first time, right? Today, I don't know how many times already, 10, 20 times already, right? I keep telling you this. Our system is very weird. Our system forces the cashier not to make mistakes. I keep saying this, right? Our system, once you press wrongly, that's the end. I keep saying this, like, don't know how many times, right? Correct, Mika? Do you remember?
Yeah, correct. I'm thinking about the function is
Right. That's right.
control.
Every meeting I have with you, I almost always keep saying this, right? Okay, so you can see that the dev team don't know the reason. But Noah, okay, let Mika finish first. Okay, Mika and Noah, sorry, give me just 10 seconds. Right, Mika, stop typing first. Right, so can both of you do me a favor? I want you all to talk to the developer, the human story. Whatever I've been telling you for the last 10 minutes on this, right? Can you talk to them and let them understand why?
Sure.
Let's put some human touch to our developer, right? Then they understand why. Makes sense, right?
Yeah.
Tell them that, the system is honestly designed wrong from day one. Tell them that before the bill is closed, let's talk about human cashier and customer. Both the cashier and the customer is on site. Cashier press wrongly, but our system tell them cannot change. Force them to complete the bill, press refund, send kitchen sheet to all the kitchen on refund, and then cancel order, and then rekey in 20 items, and then make the cashier run to the kitchen and tell the kitchen, hey, don't print, don't print. I want you all to share the whole story. Okay?
Yeah, can. What if?
And then you ask them, guys, do you all think this design is correct?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And it should never be a functional discussion. Cannot be like, oh, last time the system is like that. Yeah, all these are not correct. So let our developers start to think human, right? Then they can understand, why it is that way. Okay? Yeah, I mean, yeah, they keep talking about APIs and everything. Yeah, because this one got API, we need to implement the API, update, gets paid, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, of course. Yeah, I'm not saying it's irrelevant, although I don't know what Tin is saying, but very obvious, right? He's trying to say there is an API we need to update, gets paid. Something like that, right?
Yeah.
Correct, right? Nothing wrong with that statement. But it's the BA part that needs to come in. Yeah, every time we use gas pay, we need to update gas pay. Correct. Yeah, but why did Pass App, VN team, iOS team prevent the refund until bill close then can refund? He never answered the question, right? He only tell you, yeah, there's a payment, we need to update API. Yeah, sure. Yeah, but never answer the question, right? You got it?
Yeah, got that.
Yeah. Okay. Come, let's carry on. Yeah. Yeah. So, sorry, Mika, I have to talk about all this existing problem, right? Because if the system is getting more and more heavy, especially this function is so complex. Yeah, if we get it wrong, right, it's really very bad. So we must solve the historical problem, which is the existing problem. Okay?
Yeah, okay, got you.
Okay. Yeah.
The developer team said that for the get pay payment transaction, it will call on server immediately to record the payment.
It never you understand why they don't understand anything, right? Yeah, and if BA go into technical discussion with them, then we are equally lost.
Yeah.
Did any of our conversation talk about don't use API? No, right? Yeah. So because they are lacking the human side of the story, they don't understand. That's why we need to let them understand. Okay?
Yeah, okay,
If
got
we
you.
talk pure technical, nothing is wrong on. Correct. Okay. Yeah. So spend some time to educate our developer as well. Like, they need to know why they are doing it. But okay, let's move on. Yeah. So I'm not sure whether you can fix this problem on this ticket. Yeah, it will probably extend so I give you a suggestion, Mika. Don't scope creep this. Apply the revert only to this function first. The top out thingy, right? So if I press the top out, I can revert on this one first. You check the effort, right? At least on this flow, allow the revert. Can you understand?
Yeah, understand.
Okay. It's not easy. Let me tell you, it's completely not easy. Why? Because the developer is going to tell the same story. Because this is not just pass and pause, There is a CRM. Remember just now I tell you there's 3 critical points. E-commerce to CRM, CRM to payment, payment back to e-commerce. right? So, they will tell you, but Mika, this value is not just gets our VN team one only, It's not, this value needs to have another API, CRM API. Because they need to top up wallet, there's API, right? Do
Yeah,
you
right.
understand? They will tell you the same story. They will say got API. What do you mean by got? You need to tell them there's nothing to do with API. Come on, guys. You get it, right? If
Yeah,
you
got that.
revert, yeah. So they will tell you, oh, because there's external system, need to update API. So they at least get this flow correct. When they revert, they must be able to revert this one. Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, you check the effort between this one versus normal, every other order, like pause and pass, right? I'm talking about non-wallet top-up. I'm talking about normal partial payment, right? You check with them what is the effort. If they can do this, I'm sure they can do that as well, right? But you check the effort. It's the testing effort that will be different, that's all. Correct? If they can do this one is the most complex, This is, again, 3 critical points. E-commerce to CRM, CRM to payment back to e-commerce.
Yeah,
Very
right.
complex. Yeah, if they can revert this and keep this synchronized, anything else is so easy. So think about this again. Let's talk about Gets Pay refund. You know what is Gets Pay refund, right? On pass and pause. Today I close a bill, can refund, right? There's a refund function, right? Pause and pass can refund, right? So I ask you, right? Is the API same or different compared to partial refund? I repeat, today partially paid order. Today pass and pause order, right? I do 50% Gets Pay, 50% cash. The technical call and the API, right? Is it different or is it the same? When I fully close a bill, I refund versus partially paid bill, I refund. Is the API totally different?
I think no, the same. Just partial
Exactly,
refund.
Exactly, right. So if anybody tell you API, right, you should question them back. So what do you mean? You are saying the API is totally different.
Yeah.
You understand? You understand, right? Yeah. Yeah, okay. So please look into this. Yeah, I don't want to get into more and more issue because we don't get the basic correct. Yeah. And to be frank, Mika, I can tell you that the only reason why we are doing why merchant are using us and they like us, for those who like us, right? I can tell you it's really because of QR ordering, CRM, the ease of this portion. But one thing I can tell you for sure, anyone using our pause and pass as a cashier, right? I have never received one good feedback from the cashier and the boss that the system is easy to use. In fact, one Bonice totally canceled our service, not because of incident. In fact, most of the people who cancel our service for pause and pass always state one thing. I always talk to the boss and say, I'm so sorry, apart from the incident or whatever, the pricing, whatever, what is one key thing that you don't like about our cashiering stats, or rather our pause and pass? The cashier, what did the cashier feedback? All the bosses and the head ops will always tell me the same thing. Very difficult to use. You have very basic things missing. But they cannot explain to me what. They cannot. I always ask them, can you give me some example? Just some example. Because they are not the user, you see. Mika, you get what I'm trying to say? They are not the user. The boss and the head ops are not the user, right? They get the feedback from who? Who do you think they get the feedback from?
Cashier.
Cashier, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. You think the cashier can explain so detailed why? What makes you scared about one system? I don't care about POS or what I know. So for Noah and Maker, today you use any software, yourself, personal, friendly, whatever software you use. What are the things that makes you very worried? Are things like that, right? Correct? Yeah. So you can hear that no one cashier, right, ever will say, well, the system, they feel happy, they feel safe. In fact, they always say the same thing. Yeah, very worried. Like they quite scared sometimes, right? But they don't know how to explain. Literally, they only can say, yeah, some basic things don't have. Like, yeah, just different from how I use POS. Yeah. Yeah, but they don't know how to explain. Totally don't know how to explain. Right. So, but if I try to live through the life of the cashier, I mean, this is one clear example of scary. Yeah. Correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's it. So let's take care of this portion as we do this again. Okay, come, let's zoom into the top up flow. Come, you're going to show me the manual right now. Yeah, the payment method UI you still haven't shown me. You have to improve on it, right?
I'm still thinking on this case.
Okay. Yep.
Because I am let's
Stop,
say
stop,
thinking more
stop
about
first.
this.
Yeah, sure. Stop first. Let me guide you first. Let me guide you first. Again, I say this amount can never change. Mika, you need to be very clear between what is order amount versus payment amount. I repeat again. Noah, you know what I'm talking about, right?
Yeah.
Order amount and payment amount. This is the mistake Mika keep making. Order value and payment value are completely two different things in our system, right? Yeah. So, but Mika is trying to confuse this again. Like order amount and payment amount are totally different, but she keep using it as the same thing.
Okay.
Mika, you know what it's called the receipt total amount, right? How much the receipt is, how much the receipt is. Cannot change one, the value. If you are trying to talk about balance payment, every POS and pass has its right screen and display for it, right? You get it, right?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah. So please don't touch this. Okay.
Okay.
Right. So you can, again, like I told you the answer already. You can keep it here or you can keep it here. Okay. Yeah, and my answer is both. You should keep it both here and here. This one is the call to action to the cashier. How much money to collect from the customer.
Yeah. Okay.
No, you got it. No, you can understand what I'm saying.
Yeah.
No, do you even understand? You really understand what is receipt versus payment, right?
Correct.
Order value versus payment, is it the same?
It's not the same.
Is the data the same set of data? It's totally different, right? Receipt is receipt, payment is payment, right? Payment can be anything, right? Can be voucher, can be
payment can be
even boss.
Mm.
Can be entertainment, right? Can be the boss just give. You get what I'm trying to say, right? Okay, you understand, right? So order and payment is totally different. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, guys, I got to pause here. We got to carry on tomorrow. Can?
Oh, sure.
Okay, never mind. We carry on.
Oh, why?
Okay, never mind. Carry on.
That's okay, Steve.
Never mind. We carry on.
Uh-huh.
Okay, come. Let's carry on.
Okay, got that. For this case, allow me to think more about this to the UI here.
Sure. But it's not about the UI that I'm worried. But honestly, can you clarify what do you not understand? Mika, there's a reason why you keep changing the total amount, right? I can see that Mika, no matter how much I explain, she keep changing the total amount. Is there a reason? Mika, can you help me understand what you are thinking?
Yeah, I put 15. I put $15 here because I need to calculate the payment the cashier need to collect from the customer. For example, if the order is like this amount, but actually, cashier just collect this number, this amount.
Yes. So now do you understand what is called a receipt total versus payment value?
Yeah.
You cannot adjust the receipt total. You get it, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay. Payment method is not a discount. You can understand, right?
Yeah, understand.
Okay, you really know what went wrong, right? Okay.
Là cái UI ban đầu á, chị cứ giữ nguyên đi, xong rồi chị thêm vô, chứ đừng có đổi. UI ban đầu là rắn. Như đi hả?
Yeah.
Không phải UI hiện tại của thằng app ấy.
Là không còn đây.
Xóa đi. Đó, rồi 194.61 đúng không? Xong rồi thêm một cái payment mode ở dưới. Rồi bên kia hiện 179.61.
Rồi thôi ha. Rồi thì không có clear không?
Thì chị phải thêm một cái dòng là 179.61 là payable amount.
Yeah, so Mika and Noah, can I just tell you all a very quick thing? Mika never change anything within the receipt. It's very as simple as that, right? So the guideline to you, the UAC, the DOD to you is do not change anything at all on your original receipt. Can you understand now?
Yeah, understand.
Do not touch anything within the receipt format. Anything that deals with payment is within payment. It's outside.
Can you understand?
Yeah, understand.
Very clear, right? This
Yeah, I will
DOD you
show you
understand,
this.
right? This rule you understand, right? Noah, you understand as well, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So anything that is with the order, do not change. Got it, right? So
Yeah,
this
got that.
whole thing, yeah, do not change anything. If it's about payment, payment is strictly here. Do not get confused. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
Sure.
I know you are trying. You need to know that the receipt is only given to the customer after everything is paid. So why you worry? And some more you are designing the cashier screen, you know. You are not even designing the online shop. No, yours is a bit tougher because yours is an online shop indeed. But also doesn't matter lah. Don't need to show them that because it's not partial payment one. Online shop don't have partial payment one.
Yeah. Correct.
Yep, got it. So Mika, don't change the orders.
Yeah, okay. Noted. Okay, got you. I noticed we will keep the current payment summary like this on the as current and just update the remaining amount the cashier need to collect from the customer.
Ông miêu rồi.
Xong cái
Yeah.
số receipt kiểu như này đúng không? Đúng thôi đúng không?
Receipt thêm cái
Member balance ở đây.
member balance hay là top up cái gì đó? Member balance hả?
Nếu còn tiền thì ghi đồng tiền mà có thêm top up không ta? Yeah, Steve, on the receipt, we will keep the current and put the payment method like member balance information like this.
Yeah.
And on the member section, we will show the member balance.
Sure. Yeah, all this you're talking about other things already, yeah. So Mika, the biggest mistake you're making is down here. You keep thinking the customer is looking at the screen of the receipt. It is not, okay? Don't change the receipt format. Receipt only come out after everything is billed. Right? If you're talking about UI and UX for the cashier, show them correctly, right? Show them in terms of a pop-up, show them in terms of the UX, UI flow. Okay? Not inside the receipt and change the receipt, okay?
Okay, got that.
Okay, anything more?
Yeah, this is a case from the customer already add top of e-wallet on OS. So this is the case, the event for that customer haven't add the top up from OS. So we will still display order like on the order list and order detail like this. And when the customer click on the proceed to pay, we will prompt the pop-up to remind the customer cashier to upsell. We will show the reminder pop-up like this.
What is your, hang on, Mika, what is your event again? The members login already, right? Is it a
Yeah.
login or not login? So how about non-login? What is, ignore this copy text. We talk about this copy text later. Tell me the events first. Tell me all your events that leads up to a upsell. The concept is correct. The upsell is correct. But I want to know all your events and triggers.
The event here, the customer already sign in and sign up as a member from the online shop, but they are not add top up tier to the order.
Okay, so sorry, I didn't quite catch that. Member and non-member, only for member, right? Not for non-member, right?
Yeah, member.
Okay. Is there a reason for it? So I'm going to ask back the who and why, right? Yeah. So I mean your idea is correct. To upsell is correct, but why only member? Is there a reason?
No, just not member. We will have two case like member and non-member.
Okay. Right. Yeah, but you are showing me only member, right? So I'm getting a bit confused.
Yeah, I will add the one more like non-member.
Yeah, no, the same thing goes for you, right?
Yeah.
Whatever Mika is trying to show me is the same question I'll ask you during your order tracker, your last opportunity to talk about this, how you want to present this on your order tracker, right?
Mm.
Do you have anything on the order tracker?
Yeah, I have.
Mhm. Yeah, we can let Mika do, then you show your screen. Might as well. We do, because these are the exact synchronization I want to see between you and Mika, you see. So yeah, you can take over her screen while she's working on it
Okay.
if you want.
Okay. Give me 1 minute. Can you see my screen?
Can see?
Yeah, this is the flow customer they log in to apply the top up. No, to
Yeah, this was the original, right? This is the first CTA.
yeah, this is the first CTA
Yeah,
and
I'm talking straight to the part where they
member
have
voucher.
yeah, they skip all the way to order tracker. Right. You know what I'm talking about, right? This is the first engagement, right? How many more engagement?
Yeah,
How
this
many more engagement are there?
yeah, this is order tracker pay first. We will display a top up package here as well.
Order tracker lah. Okay, okay, got
Order
it.
tracker.
Got it. Good, good, good.
Yeah,
Mhm.
pay first
Yeah.
and
Yes, sorry, sorry. The UI, yeah, I get your idea, right? But the UI is not very clear, to be very frank. And it looks very, yeah, cannot really tell, right? It is for top-up packages. Stop, don't move, hang on. Right. Things like this, right? Exactly what people cannot understand because all these words are much bigger, right? Yeah. So if you want to work on this, yeah. So some basic stuff, right? Your header don't look like a header. Yeah. So it's a UI problem. How can a header don't look like a header? Right. That's the basics, right? Yeah.
Yeah,
Header
sure.
must have header font, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me edit it.
Yep. Yeah. Okay. So okay, good. At least you have this down here. Okay. I get it. Okay. Okay. So Mika, if you, anything else you want to highlight to me on this flow, this journey?
Alexa, right?
Mm.
Okay, let me go through. There's many things to highlight.
Okay.
This is the event customer, they click top up without ordering item.
Okay.
They can select the payment option. If merchant they enable both, we will display both payment option. Pay at counter and pay on mobile. As discussed with you and Mika.
Did you zoom in? Sorry. I cannot see like.
You can
Did you
see.
zoom in anything? I cannot see it.
Huh? No, I didn't
Yeah,
zoom.
hang on.
Okay.
Sorry, hang on. I need to change my network. Hang on. 我站外面哦。Hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah, can.
Okay. I didn't see the prototype just now. Sorry. Yeah. Can you say again?
Okay, sure. This is the event customer they want to top up without ordering. they just click the top up first, like they want to figure out things.
Yeah, you,
Yeah.
you can see your header is different, right? Can you press back? You can see, right? Your header is straight away different, right?
Yeah. I will
Yeah.
update the header because it's
Yeah, okay,
different designer.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
I design this
Yeah.
one and Fauzi design. Yeah.
Good. Yeah,
We will
especially Fauzi, right? Fauzi should be the designer, right? In the end, he never get it correct. Don't know why. Yeah.
because
Okay.
he give us. Yeah. Okay.
Mhm.
Customer they click and they can select pay at counter and pay on mobile.
Yep. So this is the same, right? So don't go through the same thing with me.
Sure. We will add one more button, add more item in the yeah. When customer they
Okay, got it. You're
uh
just trying to update me the adjustment. Okay.
yeah.
Yep.
If
Carry on.
customer they
Yeah,
click
I'm
add more
just
item here,
yep.
it will display the online shop for add item. And
Yep.
if customer they add 3 item in the cart, we will display the cart like this. Because they already log in, and we will retrieve the member balance here.
Okay.
And the recommendation, the animation.
Hang on. Please hang on. This amount is pay. Yeah. Don't move. When I say hang on, just don't move. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So this amount is before or after top up completed.
Before.
A bit tricky, yeah.
Okay. After. It's the from the previous the amount is.
I am okay to let them know they can use, but technically they have not paid, right? Don't you think there should be a difference between event A and event B?
Yeah.
This should be paid. Event B should have a different copy text, right?
Yeah, correct. You are right.
Okay.
This is we create 115 here is like the current amount available in their wallet without the new one they
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Got it.
So you're
Okay.
right, there are 2 events, but I just create 1 event.
Sure.
Yeah. Current wallet balance.
Yeah, carry on.
And this is the phone screen size. We will the reason why I put here to reduce the screen size so customer they can see the package recommendation here. We come up with several options.
Very good.
Yeah,
Very
but
good.
we
Very
choose
good.
the animation will highlight the total bill and the additional amount to get the number of credits, which Nhiên already informed me, like we will threshold 20% of the grand total.
Oh, good. Yeah.
Yeah, so we will display two offers, like two offers align with the 20%.
Sorry, I need to do a network test again.
Okay.
Can I do a network test? I'm going to say 1, 2. Yeah, same thing, right? After I say 1, 2, 3, you say 4, 5, 6. Okay, network test 1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6.
Okay, network is back. Okay, sorry.
Hello.
Yeah, 我找一个有 network 的，很慢一下。Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Testing. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, I'm here. Hello.
Yeah, I'm so sorry. I'm working a bit, so yeah. Okay, I'm so sorry. My network is a bit bad. Can we I said let's see
We can carry on tomorrow.
why not tomorrow I think tomorrow we carry on is better. Can we
sure,
carry on tomorrow? Let's say we do it, let's say we do it at right after lunch. I'll keep right after lunch be available. right after lunch. Morning, I'm doing with Pauzi.
Sure. Tomorrow we have PWA tech discussion also.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah, can. I can hear.
Hello. Yeah, tomorrow after lunch, is it okay?
Okay.
Okay. What time on your side?
I think 2 p.m. It's
Ở
okay.
2:30 p.m.
2 p.m. nhé.
2:30 1:30 ba Singapore time chứ.
Mình đang nói 2 p.m. Việt Nam time ấy.
Okay, 2:30 SGT.
Yeah,
Okay,
right.
okay.
Okay.
So 3 p.m. Singapore time.
Yeah.
2 p.m. your time. Okay, 2 p.m. your time, 3 p.m. my time. Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
Let me tell calendar.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
Last
Thank
part to
you.
go. Yeah. Okay. Thanks so much. Thank you.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you. Bye bye.